Corruption watchdog National Integrity Action (NIA) is warning this evening that Jamaica's failure to fully appoint the Chief Justice may negatively affect how the country is perceived when it comes to corruption.
The warning comes as Jamaica records an improvement on the Corruption Perception Index 2017. The index is produced by global civil society organization Transparency International. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Jamaica is now ranked 68 of 180 countries on the 2017 Corruption Perception Index, moving up 15 places from the 2016 ranking of 83 when 176 countries were featured. Good news for the National Integrity Action (NIA).
Jamaica's 2017 score is now on par with the Americas and marginally above the global average. In reviewing the historical record, this performance appears to be the best in score and rank over the last 10 years.
So what contributed to Jamaica's improvement? Included in that list was the Integrity Commission Bill being passed in both houses of Parliament. A new board was put in place at the Firearm Licensing Authority amidst allegations of corruption, and the regulations were approved to guide the registration of political parties and campaign financing. Nonetheless, this warning.
There is absolutely no time for self-congratulation nor complacency. Jamaica still remains among the ranks of the corrupt two-thirds of the world's countries whose scores are under the halfway mark of 50 out of 0 to 100.
Already there's a threat.
Internationally, the Jamaican judiciary, particularly the independence of the judiciary, is ranked in the top quartile. 140 countries, we are in the top 25%. We need to make it clear to whomsoever it is not clear that further delay in the full appointment of the Chief Justice can seriously erode the gains made in the Corruption Perception Index of 2017.
A release from the Office of the Prime Minister on February 13 said the Prime Minister would recommend the appointment of the Chief Justice at an appropriate time. Brian Sykes is currently acting in the position. In the meantime, the NIA wants Jamaica to tick off more accomplishments on the to-do list. For example, strengthening institutions that work to combat organized crime and the judiciary making full use of sentencing guidelines.
To administer consistent and exemplary custodial sentences to the corrupt, call on the government to provide the resources necessary to facilitate greater efficiency in the justice system, notably in the handing down of timely judgments.
The NIA is also calling for the political code of conduct to be enshrined in law and for all sectors of society to work together to stamp out corruption. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.